Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this 15 pack of Gillette Mach3 razor replacements. So that's what the packaging looks like. All right, show you all the unboxing experience. Oh. Okay, don't see any perforation. Let me bust out my, get some help. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get these from. And please comment and let me know what you guys think of these Gillette Mach3 razor. Oh, okay. Cool. Comes in three of these nice cartridge holders. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll catch you guys all in the next unboxing video. Later.